Now let us see a very interesting puzzle, and this is based on the hash function. When I circulated to people, 99% failed to solve this. So you can also try this very interesting puzzle. And the puzzle is 2 at the rate 3 at the rate 6. The second next pattern is 3 at the rate 4 at the rate 3. The next pattern is 4 at the rate 5 at the rate 2. Then the fourth pattern 5 at the rate 6 at the rate, then the question mark, what number will come there? It's a very interesting puzzle. Here what you have to do is to find out the operator at the rate. You have to explain in terms of a function, hash function. Once you find out the hash function, whatever function you can use for at the rate of, then automatically you can get the solution. So that is the trick you have to find out. Now let us find out the hash function here for the operator the rate. You can carefully understand the first two numbers 2 and 3 you multiply, and then you apply mod 9 function. You get 2 into 3 is 6 mod 9. The answer is 6. So the last number is 6. The next is you try 3 into 4 mod 9. So 3 into 4 is 12. 12 mod 9, the answer is 3. The next 4 into 5 is 20. 20 mod 9, you will get here 4 into 5, and 20 mod 9, you will get the answer is 2. And the last is 5 into 6, and for 5 into 6 is 30. 30 mod 9, the answer will be 3. Thus the answer is 3.